In this video, I'll show you what to do if your Western Union transfer is under review. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to fix the transfer under review status on Western Union, first open the Western Union app or website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to your transaction history and open the transfer that shows the under review status. This status usually appears when Western Union needs to perform a security or compliance check on the transaction. It can happen if the transfer amount is large, if there is unusual activity on the account, or if some information needs to be verified. In many cases, the review is automatic and will be completed after a short period of time. First, carefully check the transaction details, including the receiver's name, country, and payment method. Make sure all the information was entered correctly. Even small mistakes in the receiver's details can sometimes trigger a review. Next, check if Western Union has requested identity verification. Sometimes they may ask you to confirm your identity by uploading a valid government-issued ID or verifying your personal details. Completing this step can help speed up the review process. You should also check your email inbox, including the spam or junk folder, for any messages from Western Union. They may send you instructions or ask for additional information related to the transfer. If the transfer remains under review for a longer time, the next step is to contact Western Union Customer Support. You can open your browser and search for Western Union Customer Service, then visit their official support page. From there, you can start a live chat with an agent or request help from a customer support representative who can check the status of your transfer. In some cases, if the transfer cannot be approved, Western Union may cancel the transaction and issue a refund to your original payment method. The refund process may take a few business days depending on your bank or payment provider. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.